Gold hit a new all-time high of $3,000 last Friday, which is an incredible achievement for one of the safest assets known to man. Now, Bitcoin has been often likened to digital gold, and I do believe that it is digital gold. But here's the thing I really want you to pay attention to. When gold moves, markets pay attention. Gold is a sign of a lot of volatility in traditional markets. When the price of gold is soaring, usually that's a sign of a lot of geopolitical unrest and tension. But when gold stabilizes or drops, that's a sign that there's a lot more freedom in the market to be more of a high risk nature, or risk on assets become cool again, which is basically what Bitcoin and everything else in your crypto basket of goodies is. But here's the thing you need to know. When I looked at the chart of PAX Gold, which is the crypto equivalent of gold on the crypto market against BTC, I saw a signal that has flashed recently in the last week or so that the last time it triggered saw a decrease of 60% of the price of gold compared to BTC. Now, this chart may look a little bit confusing, and you're like, wait, how is this a good thing? We're going to see more downside continuation? No. What I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is that this is actually an incredibly bullish signal for Bitcoin, and a little bit of a heads up to all of you that are buying gold or trading gold, because you're just going to want to pay attention. And before we get there, my name is Aaron Dishner from The Better Traders, and you are watching the Coin Bureau Trading channel. Me and Dan are putting out fantastic videos almost 5 days a week now, which is amazing. And again, I'm so thankful to all of you that have recently subscribed, especially to my latest video, which I'm going to be talking about in a minute, because there's a lot of really valuable information on this video, but I'm going to get to that later. First things first, though, let's talk about the signal. So back over here on TradingView, these red triangles right here and green triangles, these are both TBT divergence. Now, this is a proprietary indicator that's available in my Better Traders Club. You don't have to join the club to get access to this, because I'm going to share this with you because I think it's really, really important. And I already shared it with club members so they know what's up too. Now, here's the thing. When we saw this group of TBT bearish divergence signals back here in September 2023, this marked a top for PAX Gold against BTC. Now, yes, we saw many such signals going on an uptrend right over here. But the thing that's really interesting is that when we layer the TBO, which stands for the trending breakout indicator, and this is a trend-based indicator, I want you to pay attention to this line right there. This is called the TBO slow line, and essentially it is a very slow moving average for the TBO. So when we see TBT bearish divergence signals coupled with a strong bearish, meaning this TBO slow line is pointing down or it's flat, this is actually a very, very bearish signal for any chart. It doesn't matter what it is. But in this case, this is actually a really good thing. Why? Because this means when we see this, that Bitcoin should outperform gold until we start to see some reversal signals. Okay. And in this instance, we saw Bitcoin outperform gold for about a half a year, a little over 180 days, which is exciting. Now let's fast forward to where we are right now. One thing you have to understand is that while Peter Schiff is an incredible investor for gold and he continues to rag on Bitcoin, Bitcoin still wins long term. Will there be periods where it's more profitable to hold on to gold instead of Bitcoin? Oh yeah, like at the beginning of a bear market. Back over here, November 2021, Bitcoin was at its all-time high. And what happened if you bought PAXG or PAX Gold with Bitcoin? You could have actually buoyed your account and made another 300% while the price of Bitcoin continues to fall lower. Now, what's really, really interesting about this chart is that we can use PAX Gold or gold, the crypto version of it, as a safe haven asset, even for Bitcoin on exchanges. Now, PAX Gold is not available on all exchanges, and especially not the BTC pair. It's only available on Kraken, Binance, and KuCoin. But PAXG is available on a lot of exchanges. Gemini, Kraken, Binance, ACAP, Bybit, blah, 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 blah. Lots of other ones. And speaking of Bybit, I just want to draw your attention to one thing real quick before I go any further. In the description of this video, there are links to multiple exchanges, and Bybit is one of the exchanges that I love to use. It's actually the one that I've been trading on over here. I shared in my previous video about why I thought S, or Phantom, previously Phantom, is going to pump. I was right, and everything I taught in that video is holding up real nicely. The price went up, actually in total, about 30% from my entry, and I walked away with 20% take profit because I sold some on the way up, which is exactly what I do. And notice right where I sold, price fell down. No, it's not because I'm a whale, but it's because I'm a good trader and I know when to take profit. But anyway, I do trade on Bybit. I love trading on Bybit, and one of the best ways that you can sign up for a Bybit is by clicking the link in the description down below. And when you click on this, you're going to be taken to the Bybit website. And you'll see that actually, if you sign up with the link provided down below, you're going to get more in rewards and things like that. You don't have to trade on the futures exchange here on Bybit in order to take advantage of this, but you do need to deposit some funds and do all that fun stuff. So you put your name, your password, your referral code, hit create account, bada bing, bada boom, you're good to go. Now, there are lots of other deals that are available through Coin Bureau. If you come down here to this shopping cart icon that says get the hottest crypto deals, click on this. It'll bring you to the Coin Bureau Deals landing page, and you can learn more about the Coin Bureau Club, their own Discord server, and all the good stuff they have there, signing up for Binance to get other exclusive offers. And lo and behold, the better traders, that's me, hi, we have an exclusive 10% discount for all of you fantastic people to take the best intermediate level course that anyone should take, especially if you're new to crypto. You don't really understand bot trading. You don't understand what you're looking at over here, but you want to know how to automate your trades like I do all the time. This is the course to take. When you hit this buy now button, you're going to be taken to the Better Traders website, and you can hit the shop now button or the buy now button, and you can sign up. The course comes with one-on-one coaching. It comes with access actually to the TBO indicator, which is over here on TradingView. So enough of that. Let's keep going. Now, the reason why this is such a fantastic signal for PAXG BTC is because knowing that gold has literally gone parabolic for the better part of actually way over a year. It's been going parabolic for almost a year and a half. It hit $3,000. Now, I do expect gold to continue moving up higher, but the main point that's really interesting about this signal right here is that if we're getting this bearish signal right here, meaning that it doesn't make sense anymore, or rather it could not make sense to hold Bitcoin, or rather PAX Gold, because the price of Bitcoin is going to be going up. It's actually a really good symbol, or a really good sign that we could see some bullish continuation for BTC. There's another one though. If we just invert BTC USDT against gold, we're actually going to get the inversion of this chart. And lo and behold, this is going to be showing the price of Bitcoin in gold, which is why it says over here 28.01. So Bitcoin is worth apparently 28.01 worth of gold. Okay. So sure. Okay. But the main thing you need to see here, notice anything interesting? This is the inverse signal right here, TBT bullish divergence. And that big green one right there, that's a cluster symbol. That's an extremely bullish reversal signal. I also want you to see that, yes, we have other ones that were really good dip buy opportunities, like right here for a 16% move, right here, which was a 20% move. And of course, it's hard to ignore way back over here in September 2023, which is our signal that we're talking about right now, saw the price of Bitcoin shoot up 144%, and in total over 200%. So could lightning be striking twice with the same signal? I actually believe it is. And one of the reasons why I have more confidence about this specific signal is because when I couple the TBT bullish divergence signals here with the TBO slow line, which again is the slowest moving average, because this slow line is still moving up, this is a much more believable and actionable indicator for us to look for an entry. Now, not necessarily an entry with USDT, but an entry with gold. So let me reframe this in a different way. Let's say that you trade in multiple markets, stocks, precious metals, crypto, and you've seen gold move up to $3,000. I am not in any way saying sell all of your gold right now. No, gold is obviously parabolic. It's fantastic, $3,000, good job. But looking at this one indicator, I am seeing a lot of really bullish signs that BTC, Bitcoin, should outperform gold over the next, well, the last run was for half a year, which would be extremely exciting, especially because Bitcoin has been smacked down so hard over the last, too long, it feels like 10 years. But seriously, it's been 3 months, only 3 months. But this is an extremely bullish signal. Now, I want you to pay special attention here. I'm going to be updating you on this chart on my X account. You can follow me down below. I'm going to be letting you know what's happening with this as it continues to unfold. But I want to show you before you go. You thought I was done. All of you that are right here at the end, you're awesome, because I was trying to fool everyone else, because I have 2 more charts I want to share with you that are flashing even more bullish signals. But I wanted to wait for all the other people that were like, okay, he's done, I'm going to click off. Haha, they're wrong. Check this out. Not only do we have a bullish signal here for BTC USDT against gold, and an inverted bearish signal, which is bullish for us for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been flashing these TBT bullish divergence signals, but it gets juicier. Because check this out. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has flashed a TBT bullish divergence signal on Friday's close, just like it did way back here in September 2024, not 2023, before we saw a nice 90% increase for this spot ETF that's available through Grayscale. Now check it out. Go back over here. Lo and behold, what? It's the same. Yep, it's the same thing. June 2023. The same. Wait, over here again. Now this gets a little bit tricky though, because when we have a very bearish TBO slow line, it's hard to take these signals into account to go, oh yeah, this is a super bullish signal. So when we see a very strong bearish TBO slow line, I don't get excited. So this one's a little bit of like, I don't think so. But when we see a very strong bullish, as in an ascending TBO slow line, and we get TBT bullish divergence signals, it's a really, really good signal. And check this out. When we look at our current price, look at this one over here too. We see this moving up and it flattens out a little bit. This is still a valid signal, okay? Now you're probably wondering, how does the TBO slow line look right now? It's moving up. So this is making me even more bullish on BTC bottoming out. And I know a lot of you are like, you've got to be kidding me. No way. It has to go lower. Bitcoin's going to go to 20K. Be careful of that sentiment, guys. Just be careful of who you're listening to and make sure that you stay open-minded. And by the way, IBIT, which is the BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF, same signal as well. So we have a bullish signal here for IBIT, bullish signal here for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, bullish signals here for Bitcoin against gold, bearish signals here for PAXG against BTC, meaning that gold is most likely not going to perform as well as Bitcoin will over the next possibly 6 months. We're seeing a lot of really interesting reversal signs. Now, the thumbs up on this video and the comments down below are going to inform me much better than you think about my analysis. I am leaning bullish. I am still holding BTC. I haven't sold, and I'm actually trading it up on AllTrading, on Bybit, all that fun stuff, because I believe that we are going to continue to see higher highs for Bitcoin this year. I know. It's a hard pill to swallow, especially if you sold early and you're not sure what's going on and you're panicking. Now, before you click off, I really want you to watch this video. This one trick fixes bad entries and maximizes profit. This goes through my rationale about why I thought that it was such a good idea to enter S. And the reason why is, well, I don't want to get into it. I talk about it in the video, and I love pausing it on myself like that. Oh, such a curse. But anyway, I want you guys to know that there's still plenty of runway left for this bull market. And I do believe that Bitcoin will start outperforming gold, which is a crazy thing to say out loud, but the signals haven't lied before. So we're going to see who's right and who's not over the next 6 months. And until then, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.